Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. It is also called as type 2 grammar. Also called as type 2. It is also called as type 2 grammar. Okay. Syntax of context free. Syntax of context. ये टॉपिक इजी है, ठीक है, इजी है मैं, लेकिन तब भी गेट में 2 नंबर के लिए पूछता है, अच्छा है, लेकिन ये इजी टॉपिक है. Syntax of context free grammar. So it's saying that first in left hand side it will have non-terminal and right side you will get any combination of non-terminal terminal. That is any combination of non-terminal. So example, you take S derives AB, ABS, yes, epsilon. Then left hand side you will have only one term non-terminal and right side you will have any combination of non-terminal and terminal. Okay. So this is the syntax. Okay. Now in GATE exam for 2 marks they ask for elimination of epsilon production, unit production and useless symbol, that we will see. But first we will see how we can represent, means what are the types of context free grammar. So you can classify, right? Context free grammar can be classified as as shown below. So you can classify the context free grammar as shown below. So context free grammar, that is type 2 grammar, are of two types. One is ambiguous, all these things we are going to see, and unambiguous. So this you will even see in your compiler. Another type 2 is two types. One is deterministic context free grammar. Another is non-deterministic context free grammar. Yeah, ambiguous, unambiguous. So you can classify, given a grammar, given a context free grammar, whether it is ambiguous or not, whether it is a deterministic context free or not. And next one is your left recursive grammar. Or right recursive or right recursive. Left recursive or right recursive. Okay. So ambiguous, unambiguous, deterministic context free, non-deterministic context free, or left recursive or right recursive. So given a grammar, it can have left recursive or right recursive,